The Intel Xeon E5-2622v3 CPU is a powerful processor designed for use in high-performance computing environments. It was first released in Q3 2014 as part of Intel's Haswell-EP family of processors and is still used in some server and workstation systems today. In this article, we will take a closer look at the specifications of the Intel Xeon E5-2622v3 CPU and explore its capabilities. Architecture. The Intel Xeon E5-2622v3 CPU is based on the Haswell microarchitecture, which was first introduced in 2013. This microarchitecture features a number of improvements over its predecessor, including improved branch prediction, increased cache sizes, and support for the AVX2 instruction set. The CPU has 8 cores and 16 threads, which means it can execute up to 16 tasks simultaneously through the use of hyperthreading. It also has a base clock speed of 2.4 GHz and a maximum turbo frequency of 3.4 GHz. The CPU's thermal design power, TDP, is 85 watts. Which means it requires a moderate amount of cooling to operate efficiently. Memory support. The Intel Xeon E5-2622v3 CPU supports DDR4 memory, which is the latest standard for server and workstation memory. It has a maximum memory capacity of 768 GB, which can be achieved through the use of 4 memory channels. The CPU supports a memory frequency of up to 2133 MHz. PSI support. The CPU supports up to 40 PSI lanes, which provides a high level of expandability for server and workstation systems. This allows for the use of multiple high-speed PSI devices, such as graphics cards, network adapters, and storage controllers. Virtualization support. The Intel Xeon E5-2622v3 CPU includes support for Intel Virtualization Technology, VTX, which provides hardware acceleration for virtualization workloads. This allows for more efficient use of hardware resources and can improve the performance of virtual machines. Security features. The CPU includes a number of security features to help protect against malware and other threats. It includes support for Intel data protection technology with advanced encryption standard new instructions, ICE-NI, which provides hardware acceleration for ICE encryption and decryption. It also includes support for Intel platform protection technology with trusted execution technology, TXT, which provides hardware-based security capabilities such as secure boot and measured launch. Performance. The Intel Xeon E5-2622v3 CPU is a powerful processor that is well suited for use in high-performance computing environments. Its 8 cores and 16 threads provide a high level of parallelism, allowing for efficient execution of multi-threaded workloads. Its base clock speed of 2.4 GHz and maximum turbo frequency of 3.4 GHz provide good single-threaded performance as well. The CPU's support for DDR4 memory and PSI 3.0 provide high-speed data transfer capabilities, which can improve the performance of memory-intensive and I/O-intensive workloads. Its support for hardware acceleration for virtualization workloads and security features also make it a good choice for virtualized and security-sensitive environments. Content creation. The CPU's high level of parallelism and support for high-speed memory and I/O make it well suited for tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and other content creation tasks. Database management. The CPU's support for high-speed memory and I/O make it well suited for use in database management tasks, such as data warehousing and data mining. Web serving. The CPU's high level of parallelism and support for high-speed memory and I/O make it well suited for use in web serving tasks, such as hosting high-traffic websites and web applications. One important consideration when using the Intel Xeon E5-2622v3 CPU is its power consumption. While the CPU's TDP of 85 watts is relatively moderate, it is still important to ensure that the cooling system in the server or workstation is sufficient to handle the CPU's heat output. In addition, It is important to ensure that the power supply in the system is capable of providing sufficient power to all components, including the CPU. Another consideration is the cost of the CPU. While the Intel Xeon E5-2622 v3 is a powerful processor, it is not the most powerful CPU available from Intel. Higher-end CPUs, such as the Intel Xeon E5-2699 v3, offer more cores and higher clock speeds, but they also come with a higher price tag. It is important to weigh the performance requirements of the application against the cost of the CPU to determine the most appropriate choice. The Intel Xeon E5-2622 v3 CPU is a powerful processor that is well suited for use in high-performance computing environments. Its 6 cores and 12 threads provide a high level of parallelism, and its support for DDR4 memory and PCIe 3.0 provide high-speed data transfer capabilities. Its support for hardware acceleration for virtualization workloads and security features also make it a good choice for virtualized and security-sensitive environments. The CPU's applications range from virtualization to high-performance computing, database management, content creation, and web surfing. However, it is important to consider the CPU's power consumption and cost when selecting it for a particular application. Overall, the Intel Xeon E5-2622 v3 CPU is a powerful and versatile processor that is a good choice for a variety of high-performance computing applications.